All right, this is a big one. Top 200 places to eat in America. Cocina, Madrigal, Madrigal if you're super white, which we're not. 16th Street and Wood. Real deep South Phoenix. I'm with my people. Cocina Madrigal, I looked at the menu. I mean, we're gonna get some steak, but it's gonna have some other stuff in it. I'm super excited. If anyone says this is a top 200 place to go in the United States in 2022, I have to go there. Cocina Madrigal, let's do it. I have to have a phone for this because look at this. Why do I have to have a phone? Because I have to explain to you exactly what you're seeing. Number one, I've eaten thousands of tacos in my life. I've never seen a taco look like this. That's number one. Number two, this is how they describe this taco. Beef tenderloin steak taco, pomegranate marinade, chipotle aioli, fried peppers and onions, topped with gorgonzola cheese. Hello? On 16th Street and
Broadway.
Got my boy Big D, met us over. He lives right, he's house sitting right down the block. I said, you gotta come meet us for some tacos. Cocina Madrigal. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. You can't even pick it up.
I'm taking the paper.
Holy moly. Look at this. I mean, this is, one bite's a meal. All right, here we go. Cocina Madrigal. I don't know what happened. They marinate this beef in pomegranate. That's sweet and spice and
Everything nice.
the gorgonzola's fresh, creamy. This looks like some fried poblano peppers, fried onions. I mean, I don't know what's going on. What are you thinking? I don't even know what to think.
Your mind actually does blow here, so good thing I have a hat on. It didn't get on the taco, but I'm well over 9. I'm like 9.3. This is the best steak taco I've ever had.
I don't know what to do because it's not.
Not traditional.
When we think of taco review, right? What we've been doing here and producing these taco reviews, crunchy little bits of carne asada, some diced up white onion, some cilantro, and some type of salsa. Simple, right? The complexity of what this is more like a dinner. Like serve it with some of this rice or beans or. I feel like putting it in a taco is almost doing it like an injustice. If that makes any sense whatsoever. So, in terms of just like your standard carne asada taco, it's just not that. So we're not gonna don't put it in the normal scale that I do, okay? Because, my normal scale is you've seen them in the 6s, you've seen them in the 8s. This is like award-winning James Beard, like a top 200 place to eat in America, #1 restaurant on Yelp in America, top 100 places to eat on Forbes magazine. We're on 16th Street in South Phoenix. Like, my mind is actually blown. Yeah, it's like a 9-1 in terms of a dinner. I don't want to put it on the scale of a taco though, because that is just doing it a huge injustice. So, pomegranate, fried pepper, gorgonzola taco is a 9-1. Danny was like a 9-3. I mean, Cocina Madrigal, the rest of the menu looks unbelievable. You just have to get in your car. Like, if you're listening to this, honey, where are we going to dinner this weekend? You're in Phoenix? You get here. You get here and you just figure it out because it's unreal, actually. So, there you go. 9-3 from Big D, 9-1 from me. We're gonna call it the dinner taco, the fancy taco. Come to South Phoenix, have a margarita, have some habanero salsa, have these pomegranate filet tacos with just an explosion in your mouth. That's what we're doing.